I'm not a crook.
Welcome to Law Bite. The following is for entertainment purposes only.
I'll never tell a lie.
It is not legal advice, not even close. And now for the very finest in idiotic legal news and commentary. This is Law Bite. On Thursday, the Wisconsin Supreme Court told election officials that they cannot mail out absentee ballots until the court decides whether to add the Green Party's presidential ticket to the ballot. The problem with that is it's a week before the deadline to mail ballots. Now, 378,000 of those ballots have already been prepared by local clerks to go out to voters, and some have already gone out. Now, when Wisconsin local clerks were informed that they may need to redo these ballots entirely and somehow even recall the ones that have already been mailed out, some responded very politely, this, I quit. Now, as you probably know, Wisconsin is a key battleground state for the upcoming election. Now, true, even though the Supreme Court decision to halt voting was supported solely by conservative judges, I'm sure it had nothing to do with politics. I mean, besides, there's still a week before the mailing deadline, and the Postal Service is more reliable than ever. I mean, in fact, in today's news, a Michigan woman recently received a postcard that had been mailed 100 years ago. No joke. Now, apparently the post office will not be thwarted by snow, sleet, hail, or even the passage of time. So sure, the recent edict from the Wisconsin Supreme Court, it hasn't necessarily uprooted the election process just yet. It's just delayed it. But as every lawyer knows, sometimes you don't have to have the law on your side. You just have to drag your feet for long enough to drive the other side insane. I mean, my kids do it. The Wisconsin Supreme Court does it because it works. Now, before you say, hey, that's not fair, just take a deep breath of that smoky, apocalyptic air and remember that this is 2020, the year it just keeps getting better. Hoping there's a next time. This is Law Bite. See you then.